Hello everyone, Akshay Singh this side from ISM Institute of Stock Market. In this video, we'll learn about trend lines and we'll analyze a stock. So to draw a trend line, first we have to know the price structure. That is, if price is making higher high or higher low. So like here, price is making higher high and higher lows. You get a high here, similarly a higher high here. Also a low here and a higher low here. So to draw a trend line, you need 2 points, at least 2 points. So what we'll do is, we'll connect a low point and the other low point. So this makes up our trend line. Whenever price comes back at the trend line, basically a support trend line, we attempt to go long on the script. Simple. Now, let's discuss a stock called Bata India. We'll analyze it on a weekly time frame chart. So here, as you can see, Bata India was in an uptrend in a weekly time frame. So in order to draw a trend line, that is a major trend line, would be something like this. So as you can see here, we had 2 points, one here and another one here. So we draw a trend line and it took support around 16 March 2020, right? Again, it came to that level only and it took support and bounces back. Another trend line we can draw here is with this point and this point. So as we can see, the price is now approaching these trend lines. These are the major trend lines on a weekly time frame chart. So they hold some importance. Another thing to know is, price was getting a resistance here, that is price levels of 1682 and 1620. Price was taking resistance here and now it came back, it took support and again it is taking support at this particular level. So we have two supports here, that is trend line support and also resistance became support, right? Now in this particular time frame, that is the weekly time frame, you can see the latest candle is a bullish engulfing candle. So it shows there is some demand here. Also, if we see some moving averages, so this blue line is a 100-week exponential moving average and it is 200-week exponential moving average, right? So there is a cluster of supports here. Also, if we draw a Fibonacci from here, when the trend, where the trend starts and all the way up to here, you can see that this particular level where we are taking support is the golden ratio, that is 61.8% level. Now let's switch on to daily time frame chart. In daily time frame chart, there is a clear RSI divergence. What is RSI divergence? When price is making a lower low, but RSI is making a higher low. Also, RSI has reached a particular level of 50 here. So that signifies that there is a clear demand in this particular script, right? So we have seen a confluence of factors acting here, that is trend line, support levels, moving averages support, and also the divergence and also the Fibonacci golden ratio support. So this is how you can pick up some investment grade stocks for your portfolio. That's all for this video. Thank you.